Something big on the BFS. Stand down. It must be a catfish or a drum. Bowfin maybe? Whatever it is, it's freaking big. It's either a giant ass smallie or a big ass drum. Big carp. Oh, look at that. This fish is giant. I think he's worn out. Got him. Look at that. Wow. This thing put up a massive fight. Amazing.
Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.